Legacy Launcher is a home screen replacement application based on ADW Launcher. ADW Launcher, the free version, has been one of the most popular home screen replacement applications on the Android market or the Google Play Store for quite some time. Unfortunately, it hasn't received an update in over a year, so I just decided to take the open source version of ADW Launcher and add some fixes to it, including really just a preferences page, relayout, as well as a lock function, and there really hasn't been a lot of changes to it, but I mean, if you really need a couple of those features, you could actually try this launcher out. It doesn't hurt. I mean, launcher is free. So what you have to do is you go into your Android market and just look for Legacy Launcher, and then it would come right up. You install it, and just like any other home screen replacement application, if you open it, okay, this is the first time you open it, it'll show you changelog just like ADW because it's based on the same source code. Anyway, so you want to make it permanent, then you press your home button. If you do not have a default set in place, then it will come with this menu, and you can choose default as Legacy Launcher. And now Legacy Launcher is now default. So this is the default interface of Legacy Launcher. I've actually cut down the number of home screens to 3 by default. You can still change it if you want by just going to menu, edit desktop. So also the horizontal application tray is default, and there is no overshoot in the application tray. Everything has just been tuned to lower end phones, which is what this launcher is all about. It's only for Android 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. Haven't extensively tested in all the platforms, but here you have a Htc Mytouch 3G, also called the Htc Magic. It's one of the first generation phones for Android, originally running on Android 1.6 actually. So this goes way back, and this is the performance on this phone. And if you want to change up any settings, as usual, you just press menu, you just go into setup launcher. I'm not going to show you too much of how this is laid out, but it's pretty much almost identical. You should be able to find settings a lot easier than on ADW launcher because everything has been organized in, I guess, a more logical fashion. You have your desktop, workspace, whatever you want to call it, so that's where your home screens sit. Application tray is the drawer, or basically the grid of applications showing everything. Your dock is what's at the bottom, and UI components is other UI components, basically other stuff, like there's a notification system that ADW originally had, icon highlights, and trash can position. So just minor things have been moved around. So there's also a new launcher lock feature, and it actually originally was in ADW, but right now there's a password function. Anyway, so check it out on the Android market, completely free, and thanks for watching.